The Department of the Directorate of Health Services, Meghalaya Shillong, invites online application for the following posts under the Office of Directorate of Health Services, Shillong, from individuals who are bona fide citizens of India for the posts mentioned below in the skill pay as indicated against and as per the terms and conditions of this advertisement. The Directorate of Health Services Meghalaya Shillong ka khot online application nakabanta kini ki post sarum kata nakabanta ka post ka bankong ka kerteng jong ka post ka de staff nurse pay skill ka de level 8 number of vacancies 164 breakup of posts as per state reservation policy. That is, on reserve, we have 25 posts, Khasi and Jaintia 66 posts, including 2 spot person, Garo 65 posts, including 2 spot persons, OST or SC 8 posts, and essential qualification for the staff nurse, we have the BSc Nursing or General Nursing and Midwifery, GNM from recognized institution by Indian Nursing Council. So applicants should be registered under Meghalaya Nursing Council. And the age limit for the staff nurse, it is from 18 to 32 years as per OM number PR 38/2021/30. And we have also the upper age relaxation for ST, that is 5 years. Kata kabumut nila ban apply na do khatra hadu lai punyo sinem na kamata kate kapu staff nurse. Ban na kamata kapu skaba kabade junki auxiliary nurse midwife lane ANM ka pay skill kan day level 5 ka total number of vacancies ka day 78 nakabanta ki category hane kan day unreserved khat khasi bajentia lifeway including one person from the spot person and Garo 31 including one spot person but quick don't south ligi post qualification auxiliary nurse and midwifery certificate from institution recognized by Indian Nursing Council and registered under Meghalaya Nursing Council. But kata ba pila ban tap na kumta katika auxiliary nurse midwife lani ANM kandai khatra do life arts nem but kumjuru kandon ka jing pencelan rata ya ki scheduled tribes ka badai sans nem kata nila ban apply hadu kata ka balai punyo snem. Hangning in your page ya ki jingput bana ki ba kongsan langba ka Directorate of Health Services or the important information and dates at a glance. So site for applying the application forms lane ka website ka ba nila ban apply nang ta ki post ki bala kadaw haneng kande na ka observe website jong ka meghealth.gov.in kabangan sabu habok ka description box ka jonga bat phila ban apply da ka ba phi link na po ka description box ka jonga. And opening dates for the application form start from 5th of August 2024 10 a.m. onwards, and closing date for the application forms will be on 5th of September 2024 at midnight. So ka tarik kaban sedang na kabenta ka application form na neban pediang ki application form kan de santarik August but katarik kaba khadu ban pediang ki application form kan de hadu santarik September ajar arab fees payable by candidates na kabenta ka by exams kan de arspa sanpo tangka way candidates na kabenta jungi ki scheduled tribes. Date of examinations can be 21st of September 2024. Remember, date for downloading the admit card can be 16th of September 2024. Mode of examination OMR response sheets. Duration of examination 2 hours. Timing of examination as indicated on the admit card. So venue of examination as indicated on admit card. Declaration of result to be intimated later in the website. So for email, mmrbd smimeg@gmail.com, and date for physical verification to be intimated later in the website. So these are the important information for the candidates who wants to apply for the following posts. Ban submit yaki application forms nungkong pidon kam ban register shwa yaladi hapo kate ka website din kata sa apply balada don kam ban upload yaki documents kum ki photographs but ki certificate pihak ban upload yakita but ka kilobyte pidon kam ban tip pihak ban shna kamduna ya ka sanpho kilobyte nak banta ka photographs. Again, let us read about the general instruction. Katokan ki general instruction hubay but kite ki post baper. Applicants are to apply well in advance before the closing date. The last date of application is on or before 5th of September 2024 midnight. Venue and timing for the examination will be intimated in the admit card to be downloaded by the applicants as well as on the website. So ia ka jaka ka ba pito exam kapor ka ban to exam and sapen I hapo ka admit card ka jongpi but kumjuru and sabu hapo ka website. Selection would be purely based on merit. Kar kumjit ya ki applicants ka shong kat kum ka jingla jongki ban to ha iki exams. Appointment will be given based of vacancies available. But bantung ya kita ki applicants ki bala pass ka shong kat kum ka jinglai jong kita ki vacancies. Mere appearance of a candidate's name on the list of successful candidate does not necessarily qualify appointment of the candidate. Applicant must upload a recent photographs on the space provided in the application forms. So nagabanta ka photographs pide ban upload da ka dur ka badang shushon. Omduna lane kamdei ban slam palat ya ka shibanai te khila ban shon manta lane lashai bat kadi kadur ka ba phidang shushon kadur ka bala slam lane ka bala rim pin upload hapo ka application form. Admit card will be available for download from the portal www.mmsrb.in. Personal information on the SIM will be sent to candidates via mail and or SMS. Candidate have to use their login ID and click on my application download admit card. So nakamanta ban download aki admit card hadin ba hiladep syajid te ban click lomba ketika link www.mmsrb.in nangta sa click ha my application nangta sa download yak admit card. Selection for the post will be subject to verification of all documents to be brought along in person for physical verification once the result is declared and the candidate is found successful. Documents to be produced in original as well as xerocopy self-attested during physical verification as listed below. So namta ki documents pide pide banle yaga self-attested namta ki certificate ki jongpi. For the staff nurse, valid registration certificate under Meghalaya Nursing Council. The pidon kam banra yakini ki documents hakapor bale yaga document verification nagbanta ka post staff nurse pidon kam banra yaka valid registration certificate under the Meghalaya Nursing Council, birth certificate or SSLC admit card, scheduled tribes, and issued by the competent authority of government of Meghalaya, auxiliary nurse midwife or ANM, valid registration certificate under Meghalaya Nursing Council, birth certificate or SSLC admit card, and the scheduled tribe issued by the competent authority of government of Meghalaya. Also, we have the degree certificate for BSc Nursing, diploma certificate for GNM candidates, or higher qualification from institution recognized by Indian Nursing Council. Mark sheet last pass from nursing institution recognized by Indian Nursing Council. Proof of ID like EPIC or Aadhaar card or PAN card or driving license or government ID. Sport certificate for sport person. So for the sport person post should bring with the sport certificates. And for the A&M, diploma certificate for A&M or higher qualification from institution recognized by Indian Nursing Council, mark sheet last pass from Nursing Institute recognized by Indian Nursing Council, proof of ID like EPIC, Aadhaar card, PAN card, driving license or government ID. So for the post of the sport person should bring with the sport certificate, and the final appointment after selection is subject to satisfactory police verification report as per existing norms. And number 4, we have the scheme of examinations. So we have 5 subjects, that is the medical and surgical nursing, obstetrical, genealogical nursing, child health nursing, mental health nursing, and community health nursing. So each of the subject distribute of marks is 20 each subjects. So nakatagadaw nga karpan iya ki nursing baro ki ba apply nakbata ki tiki post ba pinle bha nakbata kini ki subject ba namar kandon arphumak kawi ka subject kandon hadu santali ki subject tilada total kini kandon hadu shispa mak te lebha knangwa lada pilebha nakbata katika examination te tikanabe pinyo hakite ki bandrung hakite ki pus ki balai ki balak kadeu hate haneng hadin baladep tho eki exams but kumjuru eki test ka declaration of result kan dei kumne. The result will be declared shortly after a validation of the OMR response sheet, which will be made available on the website, portal, and local newspaper. The yak result and pelai pejba hapo ka official website, but kumjuru ha ki newspaper lene ki kot khubor pejba. Did it for the successful candidate to report of the Office of the Directorate of Health Services in person with original documents for verification will be notified later. So nagabanta ki candidate ki bala shajid lane ki papas kin sobha ban wanra ki original documents hakapor bale yaka verification lane document verification but yakatarik and sapantip khamhadin. And applying candidates are advised to visit the website from time to time for any updated information. But shushuru lakarpat ya baro ki candidates ki ba apply nak mita ki post ki ba per bapin sobha ban visit lane ban late nak official website jong ka meghealth.gov.in man lakapor kanang bapin tip ya ki jingpon bana kibatamai. Titangkum tohi hakbaya day bat kenika employment news jong ki nursing bat kipus baper ki bangal ada ban pulai shapi te kermen pin lebha nakta ki exam bat apply no shwaban kut kate katarik. Telada pidang day ki batamai hapo ka video bat ke channel ke jonga ngakar pari de pi pinya subha ban ye share like but subscribe nakbanta kitchen pentip ke banangwan kublai shibun.